number 4. Okay. First A main, fill in the blanks with the words given below. They have given some words. By choosing that words, you need to write the fill in the blanks. First one, a horse lives in a. Where does the horse live? Where does the horse live? Horse in ಮನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Horse ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವೆ? Do you know? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ? The people stay in the houses or a buildings or a bungalow ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ horse in ಮನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? It is a stable. Horse lives in a stable. Write down stable. A1, A in that first one, stable. Horses are lives in a stable. Next, second one, a hen lives in a. Where does the hen live? Hen. ಕೋಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ? Where does the hen live? Hen lives in a coop. ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Coop. Hen lives in a coop. C-O-O-P. Coop. Third one. A dog lives in a. Where does the dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. Kennel. Okay. Fourth one. A bird lives in a. Where does the bird live? Dog ಇರೋದು ಡಾಗಿನ ಮನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಡಾಗಿ ಇರೋದು ಕೆನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ? Where does the birds live in? Birds live in a nest. Fifth one, bees live in a hive. Bees live in a hive. Where does the bees live? Bees live in a hive. Hive ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಜೇನ್ ಗೂಡು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? hive. These are the answers. Okay. Next, coming to the note the plural of these words. Write the plurals of the given words. Plural, singular, plural. In the last class also we have discussed about the singular and the plural. Fox, foxes. Wish, wishes. Beach, beaches. Here you need to, for example, see here in the B main, fox, singular. Nari, fox ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು fox ಅಂದ್ರೆ only one. There are many foxes. So ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Foxes. F-O-X-E-S. E-S ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು? Plural ಆಯ್ತು. Many of you written the wrong in the last exam which we have taken. No, in that so many of you written wrong. Why? So listen carefully, children. Fox, foxes. Foxes ಈಗ ನೀವು E-S ಬದಲಿ F-O-X-S ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it's wrong. It's wrong. You should write like this only, okay? Yes. Next, in that first one, brush, brushes. You need to add es, brushes. Second one, box, boxes. Third one, tax, taxes. Taxes. Fourth one, coach, coaches. Fifth one, match, matches. Sixth one, fish, fishes. Fishes. Okay, these are the answers. Yes, children, please copy down these answers. We'll give you 2 minutes. Write it down. Yes, written. Coming to the C main. What they have given in the C main? people and a places begin with the capital letters. ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಏನಂತ? Names of a people and names of a places will begin with the capital letter. Rita is writing. Suma is going to school. Yes. For example, always begin a sentence with a capital letter. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ sentence ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಂದ begin ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Capital letter. In the letters we have two types, capital and the small letter. So always you should begin the sentence with the capital letter. For example, mango, banana and apples are fruits. ಇಲ್ಲಿ mango ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? m ಅನ್ನ capital letter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Yes, like that. Rewrite these sentences correctly. Gulmohar is the name of a tree. Gulmohar is a name of a tree. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Gulmohar G ಅನ್ನ ಅವರು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Is that correct? ಅದು ಸರಿನಾ? No. Then you need to write that capital. Rewrite the same first one. Gulmohar is the name of a tree. Second one. Ice melts into water. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? Ice melts into water. Third one. The whale is the largest animal. The whale is the T should be in the capital letter. The whale is the largest animal. Largest animal. Okay. The whale is the largest animal. Yes, children, please copy it down. Yes, copy it down. Here, activity sheet number 4 is completed. Can we solve the activity sheet number 5? Yes, open page number 61. Activity sheet number 5. Reading comprehension. Read the passage carefully. Here, they have given the one passage, the race. They have given about the race. 5 boys took part in a 100-meter race. How many boys took a part in the race? 5 boys took a part in a 100-meter race. Their names were Mohan, Raghu, Kamal, Sachin and Varun. Varun was the first to reach the finishing line with the Raghu just behind him. With the Raghu just behind him. First yaar finish ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ 100 ಮೀಟರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ವರುಣ್ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ರಾಘು ಅವನ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ರು? ರಾಘು ಇದ್ದ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದೋ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? they will take the second place. So first Varun banda, second which one? Raghu just behind him. Next, Sachin was last, although he finished only a little behind Kamal. Sachin was last, although he finished only little behind Kamal. ಅವನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮಲ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? who takes the third place? Sachin or Kamal? Kamal takes the third place and Sachin remains the fourth. Mohan did not complete the race because he fell down and hurt his leg. Mohan ಅನ್ನೋ ಹುಡುಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? ಆ ರೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. because he fell down and hurt his leg. ಅವನ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ನೋವಾಯ್ತು. see in your textbook. These are 5 boys: Varun, Mohan, Raghu, Kamal, Sachin. Okay, they were participating in the 100-meter race, running race. In that, Varun came first and Raghu came second and Kamal took the third place, and these all four boys are finished the race. But Mohan did not complete the race because he fell down and hurt his leg. Yes, here you need to answer the questions. They have given question and answers. Now answer these questions. Who won the race? Who won the race? Race ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಗೆದ್ರು? Who won? ಯಾರು ಗೆದ್ರು? ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ರೇಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ? ಮೋಹನ್ ಬಂದೋ, ರಾಘುನೋ, ಕಮಲೋ, ವರುಣೋ, ಸಚಿನ್? Who reached the, who finished the running race first? Varun. So Varun on the race. Activity sheet number 5. Varun on the race. Second one. Who came second? Raghu came second. Raghu came second. Next, who came third? Kamal came third. Kamal came third. Fourth one, who all finished the race? Who all finished the race? Rahul, Kamal, Kamal, Sachin and Varun. These all finished the game. Finished the race. Varun finished the race. Next, fifth one. Who did not finish the race and why? Who did not finish the race? Mohan did not complete the race. Mohan did not complete the race because he fell down and hurt his leg. Okay. Yes, children. These are the answers of activity sheet number 5. Please complete this. Write down these answers and turn the page. Page number how much? 62. Prepositions. Look at this picture story and complete the passage using words from the help box. Look at this picture. So picture story. They have given the picture story. Look at this and write down the prepositions.